Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. For 5 months ago we started to plan a trip down to Europe, and today that day has arrived that we're gonna leave. So I'm quite excited. That's an understatement. But we are leaving today for Europe. We are today taking the ferry down to Denmark. So we have a little ride down to Larvik first before we take the ferry over to Denmark. And the Supersport is all ready, all packed up. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my mate Pekka to show up, and then we're gonna head off. So you watch the intro, and I will see you on the bike. This is going to be awesome. Woohoo!
Then I'm leaving for Europe. Now I go over to Thomas to pick him up, and then we have been ready for a few days. Hope we not get so much rain down to the Larvik, to the boat. Let's hope it's be a dry ride. I think he's more than ready. Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are off. We are off on a European tour. It's going to be great. And we get some bad weather. I don't care. We're going down to Larvik to take the ferry over to Denmark, hopefully with no rain. We are going to enjoy ourselves for 12 days. We are on our way. Oh Jesus Christ. We get rain. I think I'm just going to turn off the camera here and put it on again when we get a little bit further down. I hope the weather clears up, so we'll talk to you shortly. So we rode just through a massive massive rain. That didn't take long. That didn't take long at all. But we are on our way to Larvik, so hopefully we'll stay dry for the rest of the way. We have about 1 hour and 15 minutes to Larvik. So this is the first time we're leaving this country, Norway, for the first time in almost 3 years. So that's, woo, 3 years. Damn COVID. Yeah, but we're really looking forward to this trip. Oh, I went to work for some hours this morning and I was just aching. I really can't believe that we're on our way. We're actually on our way. So we booked a buffet at the boat. The ferry takes around 3.5–4 hours. The ferry over to Denmark. And we have booked a room in Hjørring in Denmark, so we're going to stay there for a night before heading through Denmark tomorrow and catch the train in Hamburg. And I hope we're getting much better weather when we come into Denmark, but it's pretty warm. It's 15 degrees, and maybe we should damn rain and GoPros. You can see in the mirror, Per is with me. My mate's Pekka. We're going to have a good time. I will start the trip off with, as usual, and thanking my wife and my 2 girls back home for letting Dad piss off again. Now for a little bit longer, for 12 days. I think I'm gonna miss him, but my youngest said when I left home, "You have to enjoy yourself, Dad. Don't think of us." Ah, they're great. Thanks, girls. Love you a lot. And yeah, we are now on our way to the ferry, just up the street here. And we are here. Here we are. Woo! Yeah, so we're here at the docks, waiting for the boat. Relax there. See you again when we get on the coal line. We're on the boat. Now let's strap these bad boys in and get us up to get some buffet. Yeah. So yeah, we'll talk to you a little bit. Yeah, we're in Denmark. Here we go. It's damn hot in here. We had a nice buffet at the boat. Staying at Hjørring tonight. So yeah, talk to you when we head off. Woo! Yeah, we are in Denmark. Still daylight. It's now 9:30 in the evening. I'm dying for a beer. Dying for a beer. First time in another country in 3 years. They got a saying in Norway, it's beautiful to be Norwegian in Denmark. That's mainly because of the beer. Green Tuborg. Oh, I'm dying for a beer. Yeah, but the journey starts. It starts with finding a place to sleep, and we have pre-booked a roadhouse. We're heading to a place called Hjørring. We're gonna spend the night. And as usual, Pekka, your indicator is on. Your indicator is on. Look at the sun. Woo! What a start! What a start! Yay! Yeah, and we have arrived at Hjørring Kro. Oh, this looks closed. Oh, then that means they have no beer. This is where we're gonna spend the night, but I think we gotta go to the gas station and buy some beer. I think the reception is closed. So let's find out. Talk to you again in a second. Yeah, we found the inn. Now we gotta go on a beer run because the reception was closed. We got the key and we're ready to have some beer. Some ice cold green Tuborg. Oh, music to my ears. Or just any beer. Beer sorted. We just made it. They are closing at 10. It's now 5 minutes to 10 or something. And we paid for 6 beers and some nuts. 84 Danish kroner. That's about 8 euros. That cheap. And Hjørring is just there. Oh, this is great. I don't think the beer was so cold, but who cares? We got beer. Is this our room? Yeah, we will get back to you. We'll just find out where we're staying. Boom, ladies and gentlemen. Finally we're here. Finally, we rode 22 kilometers from the boat. There we have my friend Per-Ole with a beer. Oh, uber nice. Yeah, so we're gonna have ourselves a beer. If you look at the bikes, they need a little wash. Had some really nasty weather when we left home. But this is a typical Danish roadhouse. Roadhouse inn. Yeah, but the room is nice. And we got beer. It was, like I told you, 5 minutes of closing time, but we made it. So it's time for a beer. And I will say goodbye to you after we have sorted all this shit out. Woohoo! Yeah, so we're packed out, as you can see. Just getting all the GoPro files on the external hard drives. Look, that sexy man. Woohoo! Yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy ourselves with some beer and try to tighten things a little bit up. So if you liked today's video, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So from me, and ding that notification bell. And from me and Pekka, thank you for watching day 1. Tomorrow it's day 2. We're going just on the highway down to Hamburg to take the train. So there is not so much video, but we'll take some parts of it. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.